What's up, guys? This is Tomi with Train by Text. Today we are working on a 2016 Volkswagen Tiguan. So this one just got dropped off by a shop that they replaced the clock spring, and after the replacing of the clock spring, they have a bunch of codes that weren't there, and etc, etc. They supposedly replaced it for an airbag concern, which they say it's gone away. So let's see what we find, guys. So for this vehicle, the best tool to use is Otis, but since I don't have Otis, I am using the Drive Pro ES today. All right, let's see what we got here. So I have an idea. I'm pretty sure, according to SI, this module needs to be coded. The shop who brought it to me says that it doesn't. We're gonna find out right now. So this one on this exact vehicle is called steering wheel electronics number 16. You go in here. All right, let's check our fault codes. Terminal 15 implausible signal, windshield wiper intermittent mode switch open circuit, static fault. All right, let's do this. Let's do a little clear. Oops. Always log your code, guys. Sorry, I always forget, but I got this video as a backup. Okay, so first things first. On most Volkswagens, even ranging from the late 2000s, when they have the wrong coding in the module, they will give some random codes, weird codes. According to the shop, it didn't have these codes before. So I asked them to bring me the old clock spring to see if it actually talks still. So they brought it in, just right here. This guy right here. So we're gonna plug this bad boy up right now, and we're gonna read the coding. Coding is used to configure the module to the vehicle. It's like programming the module to the vehicle, but instead of changing the software, you're just configuring it to the vehicle. What I'm going to do right now is I am going to look at our coding. So, wrong screen. Sorry, guys. All right, module information. All right, so our workshop code is right there. Or you go into long coding. So we go into long coding, and bam, look at that, 798, 2 apple, and a bunch of zeros. All right, cool. So let's go back here. There's also an interesting way of doing this. If you go into manual coding, you see the binary format of the coding number. So we can also save this as well. You know what? We're gonna take a screenshot of this right here. So, all right, just in case. Always is good to back up these numbers in case something goes south. All right, so I am going to have the guys, I'm actually gonna plug in the old clock spring and see if hopefully it reads. If not, we have a problem, guys. All right, guys, as you can see, took it apart, it's plugged in, bam. Let's take a look. All right, we're coding. Let's go back into the descriptive coding. Row. Bam, my hunch was correct, guys. A different coding. All right, again, always screenshot your work, save it, write it down. I am going to write down this coding number, and then I am going to reconnect the new clock spring, and then we're gonna code it. All right, guys, we're back. The new one's plugged in. All right. right, let's go back into 16. Doom, doom, doom. Okay, go into coding. All right, I'm gonna show you something pretty cool. So remember earlier we went into descriptive coding and manual coding. All right, we have two options. If we go into descriptive coding, right, we go in. Now it makes you scroll through all these inputs, and you have to figure out whether it has a steering angle sensor, whether the rear window wiper switch, and then you can edit them, install, not active, and then you can go from there. Me, I'm very lazy. I don't want to do this. So let's back out. All right, now we're gonna go into manual coding. All right, you see this right here, guys? This is binary code. We don't want to do that. I don't feel like putting in all these ones and zeros and dollar signs. So let's go into hex. We'll start with number 1. So first letters are 11. So, oops. 11. All right, do it again. Number 2, it's 02. Okay. All right. Sweet. All right. Our last 4 digits are going to be zeros, so that didn't change. So let's go. Now, you hit save. Remember, save your coding, guys. Yay! All right, let's see what we got here. Success! Sweet! I like to tell you guys, sometimes it's good to have certain tooling. Not every tool does it all. I use another tool that actually has a bunch of coding files on it, and I'm glad I actually did it this way because it didn't have any of the right coding files. So be really careful with Volkswagen on coding, guys. Thanks for watching.